Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to resolve the overheating issue of your Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. So first of all, disable unnecessary features. So open up your notifications menu. Here, don't keep your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location services turned on all the time. Enable them only when you need them. This way you will prevent your phone from overheating and you will support your battery life. So turn off the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and your phone will last longer. The other great thing to do is to restrict your auto update. So go to your Play Store, find your profile picture, it's at the top right corner, click on it. Here, choose your settings. Now open up your network preferences. Just tap, it will open up automatically. Now find your auto update apps, tap on the section, and here set don't auto update apps. If you did everything right, this will help avoid unnecessary downloads and overheating. The other way to resolve the overheating is to limit your background activity. So in order to do that, open up your settings, go to the bottom to About Phone tab, tap on it as well. Find your software information tab, tap on it. Now find your build number. So in order to activate your developer mode, click 7 times on it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. Now we've got our developer mode on, so let's enter it. Simply go back to the menu, scroll down, and under your About Phone tab, you'll find your Developer Options tab. Tap on it as well. And here we are to find Background Process Limit. Let's look for it. Okay, we found it, Background Process Limit. Simply tap on it. And here you can set your limit of the processes going on simultaneously. So let's set at most 2 processes. This will reduce the load on our phone. Close unnecessary apps, open the recent apps list. This is at the bottom of your screen, the first tab. So here you've got your processes going on. Simply close which one you're not using. This will help reduce the load on process. Uninstall some unused apps. So in order to uninstall them, simply choose an application you want to uninstall. Press uninstall, press OK, and now your application will be uninstalled. Also, if your phone started overheating after an update, it might be worth waiting for the next patch which could fix the issue. Adjust your screen brightness to a minimum when possible. Also, you can disable adaptive brightness. So simply open up your notifications tab, and here you can adjust your brightness. Let's set it on low level. Also, our adaptive brightness is on. Toggle the switch off, press done, and now your adaptive brightness is off. Also, if you use your phone in the case, sometimes it can be overheating because of the case, because of the massive case while you're gaming or some heavy tasks going on. So take off your case. Avoid using your phone while charging, so because it can really damage your battery. And if nothing helps, consider performing a factory reset. Check out our channel for how to do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.